Okay, so here's the Armageddon. I do have one in the larger pot and one that's pretty much just starting to get its true leaves through, but this is one that's been put in the double cup, and it looks like we're getting a fifth leaf here. Very nice dark green, not too leggy, a good stem, and I think this one's going to do okay. Again, if anybody does eat Armageddon chilies, like, it's no problem, bravo to you. And at the same time, it's a bit crazy growing this plant because it's going to be inedible for me. So yeah, we hopefully got a lot of chilies I'll be able to give away and give to people, and if they want to eat them, that's yeah, it's on them. Right, next, super hot. And here we have a ghost pepper. It's looking nice. Lovely seed leaves, lovely true leaves. It's looking good at the moment. Okay, next up. Okay, Scotch bonnets, the MOAs. I've got one in a bigger pot that's upstairs. It's a little bit smaller than these, but looking like we're getting some more leaves coming through on this one. And here's a second. This one is going very well. Lovely stuff. Next up. Okay, our habaneros, we got a couple of those and they are looking pretty similar, just the seed leaves. I just want to see how these go. I think it'll be alright. Let's just see what happens. Very slow starter, very slow grower, but they're still going and I've got them right under the light. So let's see what happens with these. Hopefully we can get some going, because I think we can make some great hot sauce. It's a classic pepper. But let's see. Next up, we've got the Tabasco. This one has been a little bit off the light, as you can see. So we're bending back around, but he's looking alright. Just need to turn him that way from the light, so he'll bend himself back, straighten up a little bit. But yeah, so far so good. Looking forward to making some Louisiana style sauce out of this. Next up. Okay, next up is the Sugar Rush Peach Stripey. I've got 3 of these down here because they're all in different stages. This one's a bit leggy and off the light, but looking good. Now, when these were out a couple of days ago, I think there might be a little bit of sun scald on them. Teeny tiny bit. You'll see in the other peppers. It may just be the leaf markings, and I hope it is that, but as you can see on the true leaves at the tips, they're a little bit off colour, but that might just be the way it is. The actual seed leaves are looking fantastic. I mean, that looks good to me. But have a look at this one. I'm hoping it's just the markings, but you see it's like a little bit white around the edges of the true leaf there. But they're still growing, they're going okay. Let's see what happens. Next up is the Zabrangi. Decided to pull that leggy one up a bit, but he's doing okay. Very tall, but he's kind of strengthened himself up. Look, if you move maybe, he's quite sturdy. I think he'll be alright. Let's go to the next one. And next up is the large orange Thai. And as leggy as he is, I think it's alright. Got a couple more of these upstairs. This is the biggest one so far. I think it's doing okay. We shall see. Next up. Okay, the beautiful purple peppers, the dream catchers. Look at these leaves. I can't wait to see these plants grow. Just as a plant, so pretty. The peppers are supposed to be very nice, taste great too. About a medium heat. But yeah, got a couple of these down. Crazy, very alien-like, aren't they? So the predators bled on it. But yeah, let's grab the next set. Okay, next up is the Buena Mulata. And also, beautiful leaves. Very much like the Dreamcatcher, I suppose. This one's doing great. This one, I don't know if it's going to make it, but let's see. I suppose it's just a slow starter, but we'll find out soon. Alright, next up. Okay, the Zimbabwe Black. Got a couple of these. And they're about the same stages. So we've got a little fifth leaf coming there. But again, very strange plant. Seed leaves light green, true leaves super dark purple, almost black. Next up we've got the sweet banana, just the one of these. This is just going to be for my personal pickling. I enjoy these pickled sweet banana peppers. Looking alright, quite leggy, but let's see what happens. Next up we've got the regular jalapeno. Looking good, some bumpy leaves. A little bit off to the side there, I need to just adjust him and make sure everything's okay. And this one was bending away from the light a little bit. It's looking good. Just straighten them up, get them back in the light. Okay, let's have a look next. Next up is a poblano. Got a couple of these. Looking, I don't know, touch and go at the moment, should we say. Let's see what happens. You never know. Next up is the padron pepper. Got a couple of these. This one's in a bigger pot, just to see how it goes. And so far so good. Bit leggy, but we'll see. Okay, next up. Okay, next up is the Kashmiri Mirch. These are growing very well. I've got a couple of them in the larger black pots, the Q pots, and they're doing great too. We'll get those out in another video. I just want to get the cups today just to show you. Quite leggy. Now that one's going to go, as is this one, but they're doing well. The leaves look very nice, vibrant. We've got a couple more coming through. So again, let's see what happens with these. Time will tell. Okay, next set. Okay, last but not least, we've got the cayennes. Now I've got about 6 of these, 6 or 7. Most of them are growing in these pots, and then I've got 1 or 2 in the cups, but they're all doing very well. The reason I'm growing so many is because this is the chili for me. I love it. I used to eat it all the time when we were growing it. People were loving it, and if it's successful as my first plant, that's what's got me into all this in the first place. So let's grow a load of them and keep our chili heads happy. Yeah, leaves are coming along nicely there. And in the larger pot. Very nice. Right, let's give all of these, they've all had a little bit of a dunk in the water. So they're all good and ready. So I'm drying off. I'm going to go through all of them, just make sure everybody has a little drink. I don't want anybody going dry. And we'll check back at the setup.